Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have a question. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 6, right? We are given one equation and we need to find out the value of two variables x and y, right? So whenever we have such case that we are given one equation to find two variables, what do we do then? Here we will proceed with the solution. What will I do now? I will just take xy as LCM, okay, and here we will get y plus x is equal to 1 by 6. If I cross multiply now, I will get 6 times y plus x is equal to xy, right? That means we get xy minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0, right? This is our equation and we need to solve for x and y. So how can we proceed in this case? Here what will we do? We will add 36 on both sides, and I will tell you why did I do that. So it is xy minus 6x minus 6y plus 36 is equal to 36. And I did that just to factorize this equation. Now I can take x common, right? I will get y minus 6 here, and here I can take 6 common. I will get y minus 6, that is equal to 36. And if I take y minus 6 common, I get x minus 6, that is equal to 36, right? Now whenever we get this type of thing, now you see here they are telling us that product of two things x minus 6 and y minus 6 is 36, right? So what will I do now? I will just factorize 36. How can I write 36 in the product of two numbers? What can I do? I can write 1 times 36, right? Or like either of this will be 1 or either of this will be 36, okay? I can write 2 times 18. I can write 3 times 12. I can write 4 times 9, or I can write 6 times 6, okay? So I will take case 1, okay? When 1 and 36 I take, okay, then x minus 6 suppose 1 and y minus 6 suppose 36, right? So what will be equal to? X will be equal to 7 and y will be equal to 42, okay? Similarly, in case of 2 and 18, when 1 is 2 and 1 is 18, so x will be equal to what? 8, and y will be you just need to add 6 now, and y will be equal to 24, okay? Similarly, if you do here case 3, this is case 3, right? Just add 6, 9 and 18, okay? In case 4, just add 6, you will be having 10 and 15. Here as well, just add 6, you will be having 12 and 12. And why am I adding 6? Because product of x minus 6 and y minus 6 is 36, right? If x minus 6 is 1, x will be equal to 7. So you just need to add 6 to get the roots x and y, right? So I hope you understood this. For more such questions, you can visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.